been lucky enough to not be working during half term, which means I've had a lot of time to generate a lot of artwork, catch up on all of my Inktober, deal with having a broken phone, and do a few bigger pieces and longer painting styles, and spend a bit of time working on the style in which I want to do my new children's book. So that's quite exciting. Other than that, I was doing the Isle of Wight Literary Festival last weekend for the Youth Zone. So I was doing kids readings and a zine workshop, and I ran an illustrators forum talking to other illustrators, and all in all it left me kind of inspired to try some more complicated illustration methods and spend a bit more time on some pieces. So this is for Mab's Drawloween Club on Instagram, her Inktober prompt list, and this is day 24-25, which is Hunter's Moon. I'm really fortunate to have the time to do paintings in this style, and it's been really fun playing with the masking solution and layering, and I've changed a little bit of my watercolor process so that I'm working from light to dark, which has a really nice contrast and really nice effect, and I've been using it a lot when I've had a couple hours to spend really letting the paint dry in between layers. I've also been working on an idea that kind of has just come from doing illustrations in this style, which is the idea of a one-page story, so without any words and without any, comic strip style or storyboarding or anything. You can kind of start to make up your own story just by seeing one image, and really defined characters and a little bit of a storyline just in a single piece of artwork. Coming to the end here, and I debated for a really long time whether I was going to use any ink on this piece or not. I did a little bit of details in the stars with the yellow marker, and I couldn't decide whether I was going to do any of the detailing with pen. And in the end, it really just does help bring out some of the details and some of the clarity, and help subjects and things like that stand out a little bit. So rather than doing complete lines and outlining everything, I've been kind of playing with minimalist sort of ink work. Almost finished here, so thanks a lot for watching. Thank you so much to all of my Patreon supporters. I hope you guys are enjoying content like this. I know it's not Femins and comics, but hopefully you're still enjoying the process of me growing as an artist. And I love you all, and see you next time.